Good morning from my motherland. I'm coming to you live this morning from my village, and today I'm taking you along my day as I show you bits and pieces of my morning routine when I'm in the village. So if you're excited as I am, so sit back, grab your coffee, grab your drink, and enjoy the vlog. I woke up early today so that I can catch the sunrise, and it's so beautiful, so I thought why not include these in my vlog. So here in the village we wake up very early because there are so many chores to be done, and it's getting as cold as 8 degrees centigrade at night. Oh my gosh. So in the morning we are heating the water for milking the cows. That is one of the first activities to be done here in the village, and then of course letting the chickens out because we have the free range kind of chickens at home. So yeah, this is me getting out the calves, and yep, they're still afraid of me a little bit, huh? And yeah, the first activity in the morning is to get our milk. So someone is tasked with doing that job, and he does a good job. So he is milking the cows, and yeah, we will have milk for the day, and also some milk also we get to sell because it's a lot for one homestead. So yeah. To the next task of the day. My task is to refill these drinking points for the cows, clean the tanks and refill with clean water for the cows to feed on during the day. And my best friend is here and he is so happy. Morning routine. So now the cows are also getting fed on the troughs with napier grass and hay, and yeah, they love eating these because you can see they could not remove their heads. That's why they are colored with all the mushiness of the napier grass and hay. Happy cows. When that activity is done, it's still early in the morning. Here are my little friends, the calves. They are also enjoying some hay and napier grass as well. And now after eating for about 2 hours, then they will get to drink the water, and now they can go around the compound a little bit before they move to the next destination. Most flowers around the compound are blooming so well, especially this bougainvillea. It's always looking beautiful, and now it's a home to so many birds. I'm going back to the kitchen because now it's time to make some breakfast. You can see the chickens are already out and they are having a time of their life. Let's check if we have eggs in the sheds. I'll first check the chicken house whether we have some eggs that sometimes they lay at night, and we can collect them in the morning so that this place will be cleaned. There are some eggs and I will have to collect some of these eggs. on, and this place is going to be cleaned during the day. These are my eggs, and maybe I can make some for breakfast. I'm also going to be making fruits, making orange squeeze for breakfast, and yeah, my sister is also helping me with this. So she cut the fruits and we are getting ready for breakfast. I also have fresh oranges that I'm going to squeeze the juice. Fresh orange juice is amazing in the morning. Oh, sweet potatoes and arrowroots. And we're cleaning them. Breakfast items. This is my favorite breakfast item, you know, especially in the village, because you get this fresh. From the shamba. How amazing. No, these are clean. We are going to cook them in our traditional kitchen, which is called Riko. Oh, now today I remembered that. Is it boiling or a bit of steaming? Because little water and then we cover them. Now our ngwashe is clean and it's going to cook on this sufuria. So what we are going to do is to add more firewood and then cover it up here so that it can start cooking. And I will see you when it's almost done. So up we go. Here they are. It's a whole sufuria. Maybe we can eat these for the next 2-3 days. And yeah, the fire is doing its magic. And now we're just going to cover them here and wait for them to cook. And of course the fire is so hot, they're gonna cook so fast. Where you come from, do you love taking sweet potatoes and arrowroots for breakfast, or what do you prefer? What is your favorite breakfast item? Comment down below and let me know. Moving on with the breakfast preparation, my sister is ready here making samosas, and yeah, when we start making breakfast it goes on until later in the day, since people gonna be biting things here and there. So yeah, we go right ahead and make the best out of anything we want to prepare that day. So our samosas are looking delicious, and if you want to make samosas like I do, let me know. I will link up a video I did on how to make meat samosas on my channel, and you can go ahead and check it out. I make my samosas from scratch, the fillings, the samosa pockets and everything, and they taste delicious. We ate so many of these tiny samosas and we had fun. I'm here brewing the tea. This is tea with milk And this is the African tea cake, so it's boiling now, and I'm going to prepare it for us for breakfast. Yeah, I'm also making some sausages, and then I'll go ahead and make some eggs. My tea is brewing so well, and this tastes so good. Brand of African tea. This is just how I love making my tea any day. Right ahead and boiling some eggs for breakfast. They're almost boiling. My sausages are also slow cooking over here. Some salsa salad. I got my tomatoes already. Now I'm going to cut or chop the onions and add dhania with some vinegar and black pepper and a bit of salt, and it's ready. I'm going to show you. Now I got dhania inside and I have onions, so what I'm going to do is just mix it up and then add a bit of vinegar and salt. This is my salsa salad. If you have fresh lemon, you can also squeeze it in, and then it's going to taste wonderful. So this is going to be our kachumbari or salsa salad to add onto our eggs and sausages, and then it's gonna be delicious. My sausages are ready. My tea is brewed to perfection. And my arrowroots and sweet potatoes are also ready, and we'll go right ahead and enjoy our breakfast, which gonna extend to a brunch. Yes, because all this food. And now later we will go for the next activity of the day, which I'll show you in a bit. And now harvesting here, because we need these for the cows. So we harvest these and then store it in the storage for later use for the cows. So the whole process is done by the farm machines, and yeah, this is just the final stage when the hay is being bundled up, like you see. Okay, if you watched up until this far, thank you so much for watching. That is our basic morning routine. Now we are already in lunchtime, and we are preparing lunch and later dinner. And thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this video. Did you enjoy the morning routine, and what other videos would you love to see in the village? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. here brewing my tea. This is Kenyan tea, Kenyan chai. It's water, tea leaves. I let it boil well, and then I add my milk and I let it boil as well.